Hello everyone, this is Ruby Yadav and I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I am pursuing my LLB from Mary Professional and Law Institute, MDU Rohtak. While reading CPC, I found it the most trickiest one and the most complicated subject. Not because it has a lot of sections, because I found it trickiest because it has a lot of concepts, lots of orders, rules, and some of the words and concepts are most confusing. So my today's topic is some of the points of the CPC which I need to discuss, and the sole purpose of my topic is to tell you something about the judgment, order, and decree in CPC. So for understanding these three concepts, I would like to give you one example. Suppose we are in a school and we are going for our exams. So while attempting the exams, the teachers always told us that don't make a noise or don't copy it from the another one. So that was the order given by the teachers. And in answer sheet, whatever we write our answers, we just give the answers of the issues with the reasons. That will be considered as the judgment, because in judgment the judges need to answer the issues with their reasons. And after attempting the exams, we got our mark sheets in which there is written that we are promoted to our next section or next class, or we will be sit in the same class. So that is known as the decree, which has the specific rights about some person. Now what is order? Order is passed by the court for a smooth functioning of the proceeding. Judgment is the issues of with the reasonable answers. Court answers the issues with the valid reasons. That is known as the judgment. Now, decree describes the rights of the parties. To understand these concepts, we need to consider its essentials so that we will get a brief knowledge about these concepts. The definition of judgment is mentioned under section 2, clause 9 of the CPC, and its provisions are mentioned under order 20. Its essential is that the statement of fact, the judgment must have the statement of the facts, points of determination. There must be the points which we need to determine, and it must be the decision of the court. There must be a reason behind that decision. This is all about the judgment. Now we will see what decree is all about. Decree is defined under section 2 of subclause 2 of CPC, and its provisions are also mentioned under the order of 20. Decree is an adjudication cases which is decided by the court, and it must be in formal expression. That means it must be in written. Decree is a suit, a civil law, and it describes the rights of the parties. Decree is a conclusive determination, which means after the decree there is no need of any doubt. Now the last one is the order. The order is defined under section 2 of subclause 14 of the CPC, and its essential elements are: order is a pronouncement of a civil court. It must always be pronounced by the civil court. It must not a decree. As here we need to focus that the order must be pronounced by the civil court, and the decree is also a suit which is followed under a civil law. But the difference here is that in decree it is a determination of the rights of the parties, but in order there is not any determination of the rights of the parties. That is the most important difference between the decree and the order. Order is also a formal expression that it must be in a written form. Now, to understand these concepts, I just I'll just take one leading case, that was the Ayodhya verdict judgment. So, in that case, trial court directed the Archaeological Survey of India to to examine this case and do a survey on Ayodhya in Ayodhya's land. Now, this was the order given by the court, and after the analyzation of the evidence, all the facts, court gives its decision. That was the judgment, and the Ayodhya verdict's judgment was of 1045 pages, which, if a person wants to know, the parties involved in that case, if they wants to know their rights, then it is not possible to read all of the 1045 pages. So there is a decree in which the rights of the parties were determined, and they need to consider that. I hope it must have cleared some of the concept of between judgment, decree and order of yours. And this is all about my topic, and that's it for the day. Thank you so much.